Hi, I'm Shelley Bin, and this is Raiden. We met on day 2 of our Appalachian Trail through hike and ended up hiking the whole thing together. Now we're in New Zealand. We just got married and we're off to explore the country together, hiking and tramping using mostly gear I made for us. Subscribe to come along with us as we explore the great outdoors. Good morning, Shelley Bin here. It's about 9 o'clock on Saturday morning and I'm just setting off on a 3-day, 2-night trip with my friend Penny. There's a fork in the track straight away where I don't know where I'm meant to be going. We're just heading from the brook in Nelson up to Dunn Mountain today and over to Rock's Hut. And then tomorrow we'll head down into the Pelorus River area and then we'll head out towards Hackett Track on Monday. I am really excited to be testing out my new pack this weekend. It's super colourful and I'm really excited about it. The sign for the saddle is definitely not at the saddle. I have to walk uphill to get to the saddle. It's not how it works. Got to Dunn Saddle and we're dumping our packs. We're going to do a quick side trip up to the top of the mountain. Not a bad view at the summit on a day like today. Good morning. It's about 8:30 and we're just leaving Rock's Hut heading down the hill to Midi Hut. There was a bunch of people at the hut last night. I didn't really record much. Met a guy who's walking the TA, so it's fun to talk to him. And yeah, a bunch of people actually. We took a little side trip up to the lookout and just kind of hung around and chatted. There was a few interesting people, a couple of people who seemed to just be floating from hut to hut. And this morning we were the last ones to leave. Yeah. Quite a cool little bit of river. Looks kind of deep. Come down there and across this beautiful mossy river. There's the hut over there. Almost at the hut. One more swing bridge to go. Cute little roebuck hut. Good morning. It's about 8:30. We're leaving Roebuck Hut. We have to go back over one of the swing bridges to the junction before heading up the hill to Browning Hut. It's been drizzling on and off all last night and this morning. Got my rain jacket on, but I think it'll probably be too warm to keep walking with my jacket on, so I expect it'll come off really quickly. We have to go straight uphill first thing this morning, up about 200 vertical meters, and then from there I think it's a more gentle climb along to Browning Hut and Totara Saddle. Not entirely certain how far we're walking today. I think it's around 15 or 16 kilometers again, but we're heading back to the car. So I know the last section of track is along the Hackett Track, which I've done before, and it's fairly easy walking. Yeah, I think so. Got a nice section of down tree here. Got to find a way around it. So we've seen a bit of stinging nettle the last couple of days. Here's some here. You can see the spikes on it. And this stuff will leave you with pins and needles for days. So we just came down from Roebuck Hut. It took us a little bit longer than 4 hours. And now we're heading this way towards Browning. On this bridge on the Hackett Track again. You've seen me here before. We're just on the last little stretch of track, heading out to the Hackett car park for the end of our trip. It's been a good long weekend. The weather wasn't nearly as bad as we were expecting, and yeah, I got to give my new backpack a really good try out this weekend, and I absolutely love it. So comfy. Fits just the right amount of gear in it, so absolutely stoked with that.